Hook artificial general intelligence is 2 years away. Always has been, always will be. And that's just one of the predictions AI companies made that completely failed. Today, I'm revealing 5 of the biggest AI predictions that turned out to be total fiction. INTRO, here's a question I want you to answer in the comments. What is the single most ridiculous AI promise you've ever heard? Was it self-driving cars everywhere? AI replacing all programmers? Or that AGI was just around the corner? Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It is free, it takes 1 second, and you will never miss a video. Do it now. Here is the uncomfortable truth. We have been fed a steady stream of predictions from the biggest names in AI. Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Demis Hassabis. And an alarming number of them were just wrong. Not slightly off. Spectacularly, embarrassingly wrong. Some by years, some by decades, and some by the very nature of reality itself. Let me be clear. I am not saying AI is a failure. I am saying the hype machine is broken. The gap between what AI companies promise and what they deliver is getting wider, not narrower. And if you are making decisions based on these predictions, you need to know which ones to ignore. Here are the 5 AI predictions that failed the hardest. Prediction 1: AI will replace all programmers. Remember when every tech CEO said AI would eliminate the need for human developers? GitHub Copilot launched in 2022 and the narrative was instant. Coding jobs are over. Learn something else. Fast forward to 2026 and software developer employment is at an all-time high. Companies are hiring more engineers, not fewer. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 25% growth for software developers through 2033. That is 4 times the average for all occupations. What actually happened is that AI tools made developers more productive, which increased demand for software, which created more developer jobs. It is the exact opposite of what was predicted. AI coding assistants help with boilerplate and autocomplete, but they still hallucinate APIs, produce security vulnerabilities, and fail at system architecture. The idea that AI replaces programmers was not just wrong. It was backward. Prediction 2: self-driving cars are everywhere. In 2016, Elon Musk promised that fully autonomous Teslas would drive across the country without human intervention by 2017. It is 2026. We are still waiting. Every major self-driving company predicted level 5 autonomy within a few years. Waymo said it would be widespread by 2020. Cruise made similar promises. And here is what we got. Limited robotaxi services in a handful of cities, constantly under regulatory review, with safety incidents that make headlines. The fundamental problem is that driving involves infinite edge cases. AI handles 99% of scenarios perfectly, but that last 1% is the killer. A child running into the street. Construction cones rearranged by wind. Police officers directing traffic with hand signals. These edge cases are rare, unpredictable, and potentially fatal. The self-driving car prediction failed because AI companies underestimated the complexity of the real world. They thought more data and better models would solve everything. They were wrong. Prediction 3: AI hallucinations would be solved. Remember when Sam Altman said hallucination problems were mostly solved? That was 2023. In 2026, hallucination rates are actually increasing with newer models. Here is the dirty secret. As models get bigger and more creative, they also get more confident in their mistakes. A 2025 Stanford study found that newer models hallucinated higher rates than their predecessors on factual recall tasks. The drive to make AI sound more human and authoritative has made it better at sounding convincing while being completely wrong. This is not a bug they are ignoring. It is a feature of how these models work. Large language models are prediction engines, not databases. They do not know facts. They predict the most likely sequence of tokens. And the bigger they get, the better they are at producing plausible-sounding nonsense. Prediction 4: AI costs would plummet. The prediction was simple. As AI improved, costs would drop to near zero. Free AI for everyone. The reality could not be more different. Training costs for frontier models have exploded. GPT-4 cost an estimated $100 million to train. GPT-5 is rumored to cost over $1 billion. OpenAI has raised prices for API access multiple times. Subscription costs for premium AI services keep going up. The economics of AI are working in reverse. As models get better, they require exponentially more compute. And the companies building them need to justify enormous investments to their investors. The era of free, powerful AI was always going to end. It ended faster than anyone predicted. Prediction 5: AGI is always 2 years away. This is the granddaddy of all failed AI predictions. Ray Kurzweil predicted AGI by 2029. Elon Musk said 2025. Sam Altman said we might see it in a few thousand days. Demis Hassabis said AGI was 5 years away. That was in 2016. The pattern is consistent and predictable. Every few years, someone at the frontier of AI declares that artificial general intelligence is just around the corner. First by the 2020s, then by 2025, now by 2027 or 2029. And every time, the deadline passes without AGI. What we have learned is that intelligence is vastly more complex than early AI researchers assumed. We are building narrow AI systems that excel at specific tasks but fail at the kind of flexible, general intelligence that even a 6-year-old child possesses. Understanding context, common sense reasoning, and transferring knowledge across domains. These remain genuinely unsolved problems. If you are getting value from this video, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first, and I do not want you to miss it. OUTRO. So those are the 5 failed AI predictions. Programmers replaced. Self-driving cars everywhere. Hallucinations solved. Costs to zero. AGI in 2 years. Every single one was spectacularly wrong. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe now because tomorrow I am covering the AI breakthrough that actually worked when everyone said it wouldn't. The subscribe button is right there. Tap it. See you tomorrow. And YouTube is about to recommend another video. Watch one more before you go. I promise it is worth your time.